we will need 2 cups of cold water, 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of strawberry gelatin, red food coloring, and last we will need 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. We will add the 2 cups of water in a saucepan, and we will also add the 1 cup of sugar and the 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix it for about 1 minute. Let it cook for about 5 to 8 minutes until it starts boiling at low heat. Once it starts boiling, turn off the heat, then add 2 tablespoons of strawberry gelatin and mix it perfectly. It is optional if you would like to add a few drops of food coloring. Let it cool down for about 20 to 30 minutes. Once it's cooled down, place it in the fridge for about 30 to 40 minutes. Then it will be ready to use. Thank you so much for watching, and hasta luego.